My name is Rob, and in this video, I'm going to explain how our online sales invoicing system works. It's easy to use, and the screens are in English as well as Spanish. We've also created a written guide to go along with this video. The system is already future compliant for when the new Verifatu sales invoicing requirements become compulsory, and thereby taking away all the stress of their implementation. Any questions? Just contact us. We start by logging into Quantum Economics with our credentials. On the left-hand sidebar, we go to Invoicing. This is the central panel where we can create invoices, configure templates, and manage our client list. Before issuing any invoice, you may want to review your invoice structure. In the configuration area, you can adjust your numbering sequence, prefixes, or suffixes, and choose one of the available templates. If you ever require a customized layout, our team can integrate it into the system for you. We now move to the Invoices tab. Every invoice begins by selecting a client. We can search for the client by typing their name. If the client does not yet exist, we click Add Client and enter their basic information. Here, in the Account Taxes submenu, we choose the correct VAT rules, VAT rate, and whether the transaction is intra-community. This step is essential for compliance. If you are unsure, please contact us before issuing the invoice so we can review the setup. And remember, invoices must legally be issued in Spanish, although you can include an English translation of the services in the description box. Once the client is ready, we can start preparing the invoice. It is very important to understand that once an invoice is issued, it should not be modified. Any change to the amount, VAT, description, or client details should be made by issuing a credit note or cancelling the invoice and issuing a new one. When Verifatu becomes compulsory, the above actions will become mandatory. This is why Quantum Economics automatically generates invoice numbers to ensure complete traceability. If, at any point, you are unsure about the details, the best approach is to create a pro forma invoice. Pro formas are not reported to the tax office, so they allow you to review all the information before issuing the final version. Let us now look at the essential fields. The invoice date is automatic and cannot be modified. The operation date must reflect when the service was performed. For business clients, services may be invoiced up to the 16th day of the following month. We then enter the description of the services, together with the quantity, price, and any discounts. There is also an internal field called Description of the Object of the Invoice, which does not appear on the final invoice. Finally, we select the due date or the exact payment date. Once everything has been entered, we click Preview to check the invoice. If all the details are correct, we click Issue. The invoice will be posted and available to send as a PDF to your clients. Once Verifatu becomes compulsory, the invoice information will also be sent direct to the tax office through Verifatu. So, that is how our sales invoicing system works, and I hope you will agree that it's simple to use. It is part of the bookkeeping system we provide to all our clients, and its use is included in our fees. If you would like more information, just contact us.